One of my favorite places in the world, the Bay Area. Love it. Of course, that's the San Francisco Bridge. Let's talk about stocks. Now, most of you guys who follow this video know that I'm a private money manager. This is Chesapeake Energy, and we're just going to kind of look at it. Let me just show you what it's been doing today. Now, it's down 13 cents, and if you've been watching this video, you know that I've been short Chesapeake Energy, which is CHK. For probably the last week, I've been putting videos talking about why I'm short, showing some documentation on why I'm short. Now, Chesapeake is a great company. It just obviously, all companies go through different seasons. And as a private money manager, I'm a big believer. I'm an advocate for Elliott Wave. So I watch all my positions, and I watch them on 5-minute basis, and I watch them relative to Elliott Wave. Now, one thing to do is once we know, let's just kind of walk through it today. Chesapeake went down, obviously had a full retracement. I believe that it's going to continue to go down. Once it crosses this point right here, you know you need to short it. So it's just as simple as that. Now, this is a 5-minute chart. I'm usually watching my money on a 2-minute chart. And I just like the 2-minute basis. And what that means is each line here is a 2-minute perspective of the stock market. So, I took a position today, and then I believe it's going to continue to go down. In fact, you can see even as I'm speaking, it's going down. It's down 14.5 cents. I believe it's going to continue to go down. Now, if you don't like to short, you're looking for kind of what I kind of call lazy money, you might want to look at Twitter. They're based out of San Francisco. Great company. I've been watching Twitter for probably 2 months. Now, Twitter had a great night, or I should say great overnight. Notice it went straight up. Now, even though it's up 51 cents, I'm looking at my money relative to obviously Elliott Wave and a 2-minute basis. So this to me, this looks like a fifth wave extension. So at that point, Twitter is kind of one of those things where I'd kind of take my profits, see where it would go from here. The last thing you'd want to do to see that it would go down to like the 13 area. Let's look at Twitter on a daily chart. Now, this is what everybody else is looking at. Now remember, you can look at a stock on a daily basis. You can look at it on a 5-minute basis. You can look at it on a weekly basis. What I do is I kind of jump back and forth between weekly and 2-minute charts to kind of really, I like to look at a stock on a 5-minute basis and a 2-minute basis because it really shows me the microscopic level of what's going on. Now, from a daily basis, this stock looks beautiful. You can see right here, this is where it really began to really agree with Elliott Wave. Now, this is like I said, this is a great long, if you just kind of want a place to kind of park your money, simple, you don't really want to watch it. I think it's going to make a couple dollars. Twitter's a great company for that. However, if you're a day trader like me and you're looking at kind of more minute movements in the market, you might want to look at Chesapeake as a short. Again, I'm Jonathan. If you are interested in learning more about stock market trading, maybe you just want me to be your private money manager, or maybe just you look at your current manager and look at their performance, or maybe just call them and say, hey, are you watching my money on a 5-minute, 2-minute basis? Of course, they're going to laugh at you because most private money managers are not looking at your money on a 5-minute. They're not managing your money on a 5 or 2-minute basis. Most of the time, they're just bringing that money in, putting it in the market, and whatever the market does, the market does. With me, what I do is I use Elliott Wave, and I'm just watching the market more diligently. So I'm looking at stocks basically on a 2 to 3 to 4 day basis. So you might want me to be your private money manager for, I don't know, 3 months and just kind of see what my performance is. Or if you are a private money manager, you're a day trader like myself, and you might want to just kind of sign up for some stock market updates. Those updates are cheap. It's $250 a month, but just keep in mind, if you're going to do the alerts, you need to be nimble. You need to be in and out of the market. And so when I give an alert at 9 o'clock, you don't want to get home at 5 o'clock and execute that alert. So if you're interested in learning about day trading, you're interested about some alternatives to private money management, Chesapeake, Twitter, email me, americano417@gmail.com. Again, I'm Jonathan. You can email me at americano417@gmail.com. Twitter, I'm long. Chesapeake, I'm short. You guys have a great day.